Hello, I am Nate Kelp, and I'm here with,
Amanda Kramer.
and we are two of the life specialists here at Preferred Insurance Center. And if you didn't know, September is Life Insurance Awareness Month, and so we are going to be some myth busters today. So if I'm the main breadwinner in my family, am I the only one that needs life insurance?
Nate, I would say that I would challenge you on that, in that, you know, your spouse is probably at home taking care of all the responsibilities between the housework, cleaning, the day-to-day management that goes into the household, taking care of the kids. Obviously, you don't have a daycare expense if your spouse is staying at home with his children. So if something happens to your spouse, all those expenses are going to add up over time, and that's a huge financial burden for you to take on if your wife passes away. So for a little bit of life insurance, it's not going to cost a whole lot. I strongly suggest you take a look at that. That way you're both protected in the event something happens.
Perfect, thank you. And say if I would buy a life insurance term policy, so say 30 years, and say once that 30 years is up and I still need it, can I just renew that life insurance and get another 30 years?
So of course it depends on the product you buy. Every company's got different products out there. But generally speaking, if you buy a 30-year term, as long as you buy it with a good, strong carrier who's got strong convertibility options, you'd be able to convert it into a permanent product for that point. So let's say we're 30 years down the road, let's say you have cancer and you can't do anything with a new policy because you're uninsurable. You can continue on and convert that policy into a permanent policy. They can't ask you any health questions. It's really only subject to your age and then a new premium at that point. I've actually helped a few people through that process because they couldn't get anything else, but their need was still there for life insurance. So again, I encourage you to look at your policies or talk to your agent or give us a call. We'd be more than happy to review the options for you, but keeping that life insurance enforced for as long as you need it is really important.
So for the final and third myth, I only need term life insurance. Is that correct?
So term insurance is great for young families who maybe have a mortgage, have a couple kids in the house. Generally you can get a significant amount of protection for a small amount of month to month. But there are permanent products out there that help you to accumulate cash value and help you towards, some tax deferred retirement plans. And they'll take you out for a much longer period of time. So they'll take you out till usually age 100 or whatnot. So there's different advantages to permanent insurance and there's advantages to term insurance. So it's really about what's best for you as the client. So give us a call. We'd love to review those options with you and kind of go through what your goals are and how we can help you get there. Thanks so much.
So that was just 3 of the myths that we had here. And I know there's a lot more and a lot other questions. So if you have any questions or want a quote, you can visit us at preferredcenter.com or just give us a call here at Preferred Insurance Center, and Amanda or myself can gladly help you out. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
And remember, your health buys your life insurance, your money pays the premium.